Hi again, it's Miss Lourdes, and today we will be creating a character. In this case, we will be creating a vampire. This is how your end result might look. So grab a pencil and paper and let's begin. Here I'm going to start with using a blue colored pencil for the skeleton of the character, but you can just draw lightly with your regular pencil. I'll start by making a circle for the head. Then I'm going to connect it with a long line so I know how long my character will be. Next I'm going to draw a upside down triangle for the top of the body and a smaller triangle under that where I will be connecting the legs. Next are the arms. This one will be folded in like this, and this next arm will be straight out. Let me just make it a bit darker so that you can see it better. Great! Now that we have our skeleton done, we can start fleshing out the body. Let's start with the head, so just follow along. Make 2 lines for the neck and then connect it to the shoulders. Here I'm going to start drawing his suit jacket. Then a waistline for his pants. And now we can start working on his cape. Let's finish off the pants and give him some legs. Make some zigzag lines for the bottom of his cape. Next are the shoes. Let's draw the sleeve to his jacket here. And one more line to finish off the cape. Now we can move on to the face. Make sure to draw some fangs. We're going to give him a V hairline, some ears, and then finish off the hair. Don't forget the eyebrows. And we're all done. Once you are finished, you can erase any lines you don't want, especially the lines you made for the skeleton. Here I went an extra step and outlined my drawing with a black marker. You can do that too. And also, you can color it if you'd like. Hope you had fun drawing with me. That's it for now. See you next time.